Welcome to Deutsch Liebe. Today we would be understanding the numbers and their pronunciations in German language. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, German is a Sanskrit-based language. Therefore, whenever we read a number, we first read the units place and then the tens place. This is the rule that you have to follow for all two-digit numbers. 21. 1 is read first before 2. So, 21 would be 21. The same rule applies to all other numbers, which are two-digit numbers. 22 is 22. 23 is 23. 24 is 24. We would continue using the same rule. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Following the same rule for 31, 1 would be counted before 3. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Einundvierzig, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. We have understood the basic rule that needs to be applied for reading any two-digit number in German. 60 is 60, 70 is 70, 80 is 80, 90 is 90, 100 is 100. Now, we are capable of reading any two-digit number once we follow the basic rules. For example, for 63, 3 would be counted first and then the 6. So 63 would be 63. 78 would be 78. 98 would be 98 und 90. 96 would be 96. These were the basic rules and basic number system in German language.